In this tutorial, I am going to give you 3 methods to fix Face IDs not working because it claims the iPhone is stolen. First fix is to turn off Lost Mode in iCloud. If you've activated stolen device protection on your iPhone and need to disable it, you'll have to turn off Lost Mode in iCloud. So to do so, follow these steps. Visit iCloud and click on Find My icon. Locate your device from the list and click on it. Then navigate to the Lost Mode option. Click on the Stop Lost Mode button to disable the Lost Mode on your device. The second fix is to return the phone to the seller. If you've recently acquired the phone and suspect it might be lost or stolen, remaining or returning it to the seller is your best option. This may allow you to get a replacement or a refund. Fix 3 is to contact your carrier. If your mobile network carrier has flagged the phone as missing or stolen, contacting them is crucial. Reach out to your carrier and provide any necessary documentation to prove ownership, and once verified, they will deregister the phone as missing, resolving the Face ID issue. The last and the fourth fix is to contact Apple support. As a final option, contacting Apple support may help resolve the issue. Follow these steps to do so. Use the Apple support app. Visit their contact page or call their dedicated support line. Provide necessary information to verify your identity and ownership of the device. And Apple support will provide guidance and steps to resolve the Face ID problem. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.